On top Inside Edo today, Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki don salute Presido Muhammadu Buhari wey appoint Edo-born Mr. Aghughu as the new Auditor General of the Federation. The governor gave this Ogbonge salute during the Thanksgiving Mass to mark the appointment of Aghughu for St. Anthony Catholic Church, Elwato for Esako South Local Government Area of Edo State.
We are here today, Easter Sunday, to celebrate a thing of joy, to celebrate success, to celebrate hard work and diligence. I am very proud that we have produced the Auditor General of the Federation. Easily, he is now the most senior civil servant from Edo State in the Federal Civil Service. And this feat is the doing of the Lord. Because, as he will tell you, I'm sure of himself, he has been applying for this position since 2018. So he's been more than qualified. But the Lord, in his own time, decided to make it possible. He achieved this feat not through any godfathers. I think God is his father. He achieved this feat through sheer dint of hard work. And I am witness to it. I'm witness to the frustrations, the setback, and all he has had to endure. So I want to use this opportunity to thank the chairman of the Senate Committee of Public Accounts, Senator Matthew Roide, for the role he played in ensuring that our brother was speedily cleared by the Senate. All I have to say is that you should go and get the recording of Bishop Ogun's homily today. He said it all. It is about service. You are not there on your own account. You are not there to represent Elwato or Edo State. You are serving the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And in that role, you are serving all of us. Nobody puts you there. It is God that puts you there. So continue to do only that which is pleasing in the eyes of the Lord.
The Bishop of the Catholic Diocese, Most Reverend Dr. Donatus Ogun, thanked the governor for the work wey he do for the local government, and he say make them work together for the success of the state.
Well, we thank His Excellency this morning as we came in through this road. I saw that they are working on the road, and I asked who is doing it. They say it is the governor. So we thank you, Your Excellency. All those who are serving, we thank you for agreeing to serve. Many others God will choose in the future. Please, call it sex. Anybody who serves, rules. If you want to rule, you will be alone. If you serve, the people will elevate you. So we congratulate our son who has been made Auditor General. If my information is correct, the Federation is representing us. I'm working on your Aghughu. I'm talking to the people because they are the ones who will go to him and speak the local language. He's representing us. Even if he doesn't greet me tomorrow, because I have said what I have said, if I see him, I will call him first and say, you can't run away, you are representing us.
The new Auditor General of the Federation, Adolphus Aghughu, come pledge to be transparent and accountable to the people of Nigeria.
What is being expected is transparency. I will be accountable to the Nigerian people. I will provide assurance that the intention of Parliament as to appropriation, that the impact translates to the well-being and welfare of Nigerian people.
Other Ogbonge people wey come for the Thanksgiving are the senator where they represent Edo South, Senator Matthew Uroide, Senator Clifford Odia where they represent Edo Central, and the Minister of State for Budget and National Planning, Clem Agba, among others. This one are the Ogbonge informate where TMC TV Cari come give on top Inside Edo today, as Obaseki don carry Ogbonge salute give Presido Buhari for the appointment of Adolphus Aghughu as the Auditor General of the Federation. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Edo State.